In SMED method, we know during this step number 6, we eliminate the setup time through the design change. In this example, we have used the SMED method for preventive maintenance. So here this means that how we can reduce the frequency of the preventive maintenance. We are doing at the moment after every week, because the oil is being dirty, the cables are breaking, and we have wear and tear of the moving parts, and we need to do that every week. Instead of doing it every week, in this step number 6, we can ask what we can change, what design changes we can do, that we don't have to do the preventive maintenance after 1 week, but maybe in 2 weeks or maybe in 3 weeks. For example, we know that we have to do the preventive maintenance because the oil gets dirty after 1 week. But if we could do pre-wash of the parts with any inexpensive process, we can very easily increase the time the oil gets dirty. And we can also use a better filtration method, maybe better filters or other filtration unit, that the oil gets purified and it can stay in good condition for more than 1 week, for 1.5 weeks or 2 weeks. And also we can check for a better quality of oil. If we know that every week we have to do the preventive maintenance because the cables are getting broken, we can ask if we have alternative supplier of cables. And the mechanical parts which are getting damaged, we can check if we can have better quality of the parts. So with all these things, if we discuss in the team, we can definitely come up with the ideas that we can reduce the frequency of preventive maintenance. In the end here, we can see the result that in every step we could reduce the preventive maintenance time. For example, in step 2, we could reduce 13%. Step number 3, we could reduce 4% further. In step number 4, we have further reduced the preventive maintenance time 40%. In step number 6, we can reduce this to 11%. So in total, we could reduce the preventive maintenance time by approximately 70% here. So we have seen here that the SMED method is not limited to only setup time optimization. With this example, we have seen that we can optimize the preventive maintenance. We have got the similar result. We have reduced the preventive maintenance time by 70%, which is a very good result in the first implementation. And after a few months, you can again repeat the SMED method and we can further optimize this process.